In this video you'll see how I designed an iOS app for beginner YouTubers and you'll find 20 freebies I put in random places here and there. Hi, I'm Damir. I'm a software engineer and beginner YouTuber. On this channel I speak about building apps for iOS and Android and making videos for YouTube. First, let me explain the problem the app we're building needs to solve. Imagine you want to film a video with yourself for YouTube and you want to use your phone's camera because this is what you have, but you know that the rear camera has much better image quality than the front camera and you want to use it. But how do you see yourself while filming on the rear camera? So yes, this is the problem that we want to solve. Okay, what if you had an app that allows you to use your another device, such as iPad, to see yourself while filming? I searched for this kind of app on the App Store, but couldn't find one, so I decided to build it. But how exactly do we see video from the camera on another device? The answer is by using screen mirroring. You run a whatever app on your iPhone and stream the screen of the iPhone to your iPad. Let's talk about the design of the user interface, or UI. First, let's answer the question of what UI should we build. As a user, I need to stream my screen from one device to another, and I need two apps, the Streamer app and the Watcher app. However, this doubles the amount of work required to publish the app. Later, we'll figure out how to solve this problem. For now, let's focus on the Streamer app. On the Streamer side, we only need one button, Start Streaming. And we'll use the same button with different text to stop streaming. Simple and easy. Watcher app. On the Watcher side, a user needs to find streaming devices. Therefore, we'll show a list. A user needs to select items on the list by clicking on them and watch the stream. A couple of buttons for rotation might be very handy too. Finally, remember I mentioned we want to implement both sides in one app. We can achieve this by combining the UI of the Streamer and the Watcher. Now we have a clear vision and understanding what we actually want to build. We turned a problem into an idea and the idea into design. And in the next video, I'll write code and talk about modern UI technologies like Swift UI and why I curse Apple's iOS more often than Android. The app is already available for download on the App Store. I'll add the link in the description. These weird letters and numbers you see in the video, including the very end, are App Store promo codes that allow you to get the app for free. Just open the App Store, click your profile image, redeem a gift card or code, enter code manually. If you have any questions or suggestions, write them in the comments below. Do not miss the part when we turn the design into code. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you!